Good morning, students. Hope all are safe. Dear students, you have to make much time for learning these days. Here, we are continuing with the sums of exercise 2.1 of the lesson Insurance and Annuity. Question number 6. A cargo of rice was insured at 0.625% to cover 80% of its value. The premium paid was rupees 5,250. If the price of rice is rupees 21 per kilogram, find the quantity of rice in kilogram in the cargo. Here, rate of premium is given and premium amount is also given. From this, we can calculate the policy value and use the formula premium is equal to rate of premium into policy value. So rate of premium is given, policy value. So rate of premium into policy value is equal to premium. Substitute the values 0.625 upon 100 into policy value is equal to rupees 5,250. So policy value is equal to 5,250 into 100 upon 0.625. So you will get the amount rupees 8,40,000. So we got policy value. Now from this policy value we will get property value also, because policy value is given 80% of the property value and we got the value of policy also. So substituting, you will get rupees 8,40,000 is equal to 80 upon 100 into property value. Therefore, property value is equal to 8,40,000 into 100 upon 80, which gives rupees 10,50,000. That is property value is equal to rupees 10,50,000. Now, property value here means the value of the total rice in the cargo. So, total cost of rice in the cargo is 10,50,000. Now, cost per kilogram is given, that is rupees 21. Therefore, total cost is equal to total weight into cost per kilogram. So, how much kilogram is there into cost per 1 kg. So, that makes the total cost. Now, total cost we got 10,50,000 is equal to total weight into rupees 21. So, total weight is equal to 10,50,000 upon 21 is equal to 50,000 kilogram. So, the cargo contains 50,000 kilogram of rice, which makes the total property. Now we will solve next question. Question number 7. 60,000 articles costing rupees 200 per dozen were insured against fire for rupees 2,40,000. If 20% of the articles were burnt and 7,200 of the remaining articles were damaged to the extent of 80% of their value, find the amount that can be claimed under the policy. Please note that the number of articles given in your textbook is 6,000. That is wrong. Correct it as 60,000, because here the policy value is given 2,40,000. When you calculate the property value of 6,000 rupees as per the given value, that is cost per dozen is given. So you will get cost of one article. From that, if you calculate the cost of 6,000 article, it will be only 1 lakh. And property value never be less than the policy value. Always the policy value equal or less than the property value. So you have to make it 60,000, then only the property value will be more than the policy value. Okay, now we'll continue this way. Number of articles 60,000, cost per dozen rupees 200, Per dozen means 12. That is cost of 12 article is rupees 200. So we will get cost of one article as 200 upon 12 is equal to rupees 50 upon 3. You can calculate this way. Otherwise you can calculate the decimal value also. No problem. Therefore, cost of 60,000 articles is equal to, now we got cost of one article. From this value we will get the cost of 60,000 articles equal to 60,000 into rupees 50 upon 3, which is equal to 10 lakh. Now the value of 60,000 article is 10 lakh. That is what property value is equal to 10 lakh. Then policy value is also given rupees 2,40,000. Here we have to calculate the amount that can be claimed due to the loss. Given that 20% articles were burnt completely and 7,200 articles were damaged to the extent of their 80% value. So first we will calculate this complete loss. For that we need to first calculate the number of articles. This is given in percentage, so we will calculate the number of articles. So 20% of 60,000 articles is equal to 60,000 into 20 upon 100 is equal to 12,000. So 12,000 articles burnt completely due to the fire. Now complete loss due to the fire is equal to what? Value of those 12,000 articles is equal to 12,000 into 50 upon 3 is equal to rupees 2 lakh. Here 50 upon 3 was the value of one article. So value of 12,000 articles is equal to rupees 2 lakh. So we got the complete loss. Now the second part, 7,200 articles were damaged to the extent of 80% of their value. So we will first calculate the value of 7,200 article, then its 80%. So value of 7,200 articles is equal to 7,200 into 50 upon 3 is equal to 1,20,000. So 80% of the value of 7,200 articles is equal to 80 upon 100 of this 1,20,000, which is equal to rupees 96,000. So this is a partial loss. So total loss is equal to 2 lakh from the first case and the second case 96,000. So 2 lakh and 96,000 rupees is the total loss. So claim can be calculated by using the formula loss into policy value upon property value, which is equal to 2,96,000 into policy value is 2,40,000 upon property value is 10 lakh. So on simplification you will get rupees 71,040 rupees as claim. Next question. Question number 8. The rate of premium is 2% and other expenses are 0.075%. A cargo worth rupees 3,50,100 is to be insured so that all its value and the cost of insurance will be recovered in the event of total loss. That is, we need to find the policy value. That is, cargo worth rupees 3,50,100 means its property value is to be insured means we need to find the policy value, and in such a way that all policy value includes all its value means all its property value and the cost, whatever the extra cost of insurance will be recovered in that, means it is included in this policy value. So let us take X as the policy value, which includes property value and expenses of insurance. So first we'll calculate the premium. Premium is 2% of the policy value, that is 2% of X is equal to 2x upon 100, and other expenses are 0.075% of X. It is given in the question. So of policy value. So this is other expenses here means the policy expenses. Expenses need to join to the policy. So 0.075 percentage of x is equal to 0.075 x upon 100. Now total expense of insurance is equal to premium amount plus the other expenses. So 2x upon 100 plus 0.075x upon 100 is equal to 2.075x upon 100. As per the given condition, policy value includes property value and expenses of insurance. That is, x is equal to 3,50,100 plus 2.075 x upon 100. That is, x minus, we will take this term containing x to the left hand side, then x minus 2.075 x upon 100 is equal to 3,50,100. Now on simplification, this you can simplify in your own way. I took this x as 100x upon 100 and minus 2.075x upon 100. Then you will get 97.925x upon 100. On cross multiplication, you will get this value is equal to 3,50,100. So x is equal to 3,50,100 into 100 upon 97.925 is equal to 3,57,518.51 rupees. So policy value is equal to rupees 3,57,518.51. Textbook answer is wrong. It is given 3,60,000. So this is the actual value, policy value. Now question number 9. A property worth rupees 4 lakh is insured with 3 companies A, B and C. The amounts insured with these companies are 1,60,000, 1 lakh and 1,40,000 respectively. Find the amount recoverable from each company in the event of a loss to the extent of 9,000. Here the property value is 4 lakh which is divided into 3 parts and insured in 3 different companies, insurance companies. And the amounts that is insured in company A 1,60,000, company B 1 lakh and company C 1,40,000. On adding you will get the total amount as 4 lakh. That is policy value and property values are same. Total policy value it is, not only a single value. So total policy value and property value are same. Now loss is given rupees 9,000. We have to calculate the amount recoverable from each company. Here amount recoverable means what? Claim from each company. Claim, the amount that can be claimed from each company. So claim, we will use the formula loss into policy value upon property value. Therefore claim from company A 9,000 into policy value, that is insured in company A is 1,60,000 upon property value is equal to rupees 3,600. And claim from company B, here loss into policy value is 1 lakh upon property value is same 4 lakh is equal to 2,250. And claim from company C is equal to 9,000 into 1,40,000 was the insured value or policy value in company C. So upon 4 lakh is equal to rupees 3,150. So on adding you will get these three total values. If you add you will get 9,000 only. That is total loss can be claimed from each company. Now sums, more sums are there which are continued in the next video. Thank you.